Okay, today's improvement is going to be something that's kind of different. So as you can see, I'm in a spreadsheet here, and what you'll notice if you look at it is that for each date, there are 3 lines. And if you look across the line, some of the lines just have a few small pieces of data with a lot of zeros, and other lines have more data and less of those zeros. So back when I set this up, I had a good reason for setting it up this way. But at the moment now, since this started back in 2014, if I can scroll down, what you'll notice is we have something like 7,000 lines of data. You can see that there's a couple columns that don't have a lot of information in them, and it just makes it kind of complicated to do things. So the improvement was pretty simple. Consolidated the lines so that we've just got 1 line per, and just made it a little bit more straightforward. So here is the result. As you can see, we now have 1 date line per. We actually removed the columns because we didn't need those first 3 columns either. So we've got a much narrower spreadsheet, and we've gone from over 7,000 lines of data to just around 2,500 lines of data. So some kinds of improvements are not quite as physical or obvious, but it just makes this sheet easier to navigate, and it makes it calculate quicker, and all sorts of tiny little savings that make this a great improvement.